all know that COVID-19 coronavirus is spreading in our country, and due to this, schools and lectures are closed. And due to this, students are facing a great difficulty to concentrate on their study. So, your school, Jupiter Public Secondary School, Hendon City, is going to launch online classes for our students. Myself, Utkarsh Katara from Jupiter School, and we are launching online classes for our students. And definitely, if you will work hard, then we will get our success. And if you want to get success, then you will have to forget about excuses. And if you want to keep excuses in your life, then you will have to forget about success. Okay? So, we are going to discuss about the whole syllabus of the science subject of class 10th in the first session. This is the first session and the first video of the online lectures, in which we will discuss about the whole syllabus and the whole detail of our science subject for the class 10th. Okay? So, let's see. In the syllabus of the science, we have total 20 chapters in our syllabus. We have total 20 chapters in our syllabus, and the maximum mark of the paper, we all know that the maximum mark of the paper will be 80 marks, and the 80 marks will come in our exam paper from these 20 chapters, and these 20 chapters will divide into 7 units. How many units? 7 units. So in these 7 units, these 80 marks will be divided. So let's watch how these marks will be divided in these units. Okay? Let's concentrate on the first unit, and the first unit carries maximum 17 marks. It means 17 marks will come from this unit first out of 80. Let's discuss about the second unit. Second unit carries maximum 16 marks. 16 marks question will come from this second unit out of 80. Okay? Let's concentrate on the third unit. Third unit carries maximum 15 marks out of 80. Okay? And the fourth unit carries 12 marks. Like the fifth unit carries 12 marks. Sixth unit carries 5 marks, and the seventh unit carries maximum 3 marks. And when add all these marks, then we will get the maximum mark of the paper will be 80. Okay? So let's discuss about one by one all the units and the content consisted by these units. Okay? So let's concentrate on the next slide, in which we will discuss about the names and the content of all these units. This is the slide which shows us the content and the name of the unit. The first unit name is human body and activities. Human body and activities. With the name, we can easily understand the unit first will consist biology part. Okay, it means total chapters present in this unit will be 4 chapters. We will get 4 chapters in this unit, and the name of these all 4 chapters. The first chapter name is food and human health. Food and human health, and this chapter carries maximum 4 marks. This chapter carries 4 marks. The next chapter name is human system. Human system, and the basic knowledge of our systems present inside of our body. Clear? So more description about the systems, and this is a very important chapter and the last chapter also. And this chapter carrying maximum 6 marks. Okay. The third chapter name is genetics. Genetics, the basic concept of the genetics, we all know that, and a general basic question. I want to ask a basic question to all of you. The founder, who was the founder of father of genetics? Then give the answer in the comment box. Okay, and this chapter carries maximum 4 marks. Let's discuss the final and the last chapter of the first unit, immunity and blood groups. Immunity and blood groups. Now again, I want to ask a question to all of you. What is the meaning of immunity? What is the meaning of immunity? So if you know the answer, then give the answer in the comment box. Okay? And this chapter carries 3 marks. Okay, and when we add all these marks, then we will get total 17 marks. It means 17 marks we can easily get from the first unit out of 80. Okay, so let's concentrate on the second slide. Second slide shows the name of the second unit. The name of the second unit is substance and reactions. With the name, we can easily understand this unit consists chemistry part. Okay, and this unit consists 4 chapters. Total 4 chapters we will get in the second unit, and let's discuss about the names of the chapters present in this unit. The first chapter name is chemistry in everyday life. Chemistry in everyday life, and the very most important in this chapter we will discuss about the main substances which mainly used in our daily life. And this chapter consists of total 4 marks. Okay. The second unit and second chapter name is chemical reaction and catalyst. Chemical reaction and catalyst, and the chemical reactions. This chapter, about this chapter we have already discussed in the 8th class also. Okay, and we will discuss the more description and more detail about this chapter in the next session, next lecture. The third chapter, and this chapter consists total 3 marks. Total 3 marks. The third chapter name is very most important chapter. Very most important chapter is atomic theory, periodic classification and properties of elements. Very most important chapter, and this very most important chapter consists total maximum 5 marks. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss about the origin of the atom, and many scientists gave the theories about the definition of the atoms, and we will discuss about the classification of the periodic table. In a general question, again I want to ask to all of you, how many elements present in a periodic table? Okay, then give the answer in the comment box, and the properties of the elements. So we will discuss the more description and more detail of this chapter in the next lecture. Okay, let's discuss the final chapter of this unit, carbon and its compound. Carbon and its compound, very most and again very interesting chapter, carbon and its compound. And in this chapter we will discuss about the characters of the carbon, and the very most important topic is isomerism and IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, and when we add all the marks of this chapter, then we will get final marks 16. It means 16 marks we can easily get from this second unit out of 80. Okay, let's discuss our third unit. Third unit name is physical events. Physical events. Physical events with the name of the unit, we can easily understand definitely this unit will belong to physics part. Very good, physics parts. And this unit consists total only 3 chapters, and very major and the very most important chapters present in this unit. The first chapter name is light. Light, very most important and very lengthy chapter also, and this chapter consists total 5 marks. And this second chapter name is electricity. Electricity, we will discuss about the electric current and the units, magnetic fields and generators also. Clear? And this chapter consists total 5 marks. And the third chapter name is work, energy and power. Work, energy and power, and this chapter consists also 5 marks. Each chapter consists 5 marks, and we have total 3 chapters in the third unit. So definitely maximum marks will be 3 into 5 equal to 15. 15 marks we can easily get from the physics part out of 80. Okay, and we will discuss very interesting in the very interesting method in the next lectures. Okay, let's discuss our fourth unit. Fourth unit, natural resources. Natural resources, and this unit consists total 3 chapters. Okay, 3 chapters. The main parts of the science we have discussed the main branches of the science, bio, chemistry and physics. We have discussed about the chapters name of all these branches. Now discuss about the botanical part. Unit 4 chapter name is natural resources, and this unit consists total 3 chapters. Let's check out the first chapter name is main natural resources. main natural resources, and this chapter consists total 4 marks. The second chapter name is Waste and its management. Waste and its management, very most important chapter, and if famous question definitely comes from this chapter, and this chapter consists total 3 marks. The third chapter name is the economic importance of plants and animals, and this chapter consists also 5 marks. Okay, and very interesting chapter also, because this chapter has botanical names and scientific names, and you will be glad to know that we will learn all the names of botanical and scientific names with a short trick. Yes, with a short trick we can easily learn all the names of the botanical names and scientific names. Okay, let's check out the total marks of these of this unit will be 12 marks. 12 marks we can easily get from this unit out of 80. Okay, the second unit name is fifth unit name is Earth and Space. Earth and Space. So in this unit we will get total 4 chapters. And the first chapter name is Structure of Earth, and this chapter also consists of 3 marks. Okay, and before discussing about the chapter names, another chapter's names, I want to ask again a question to all of you: how many layers are present in Earth? Then give the answer in the comment box. Okay, let's check out the second chapter name is Universe and Organic Evolutions. Okay, and in this unit we will discuss about the theories of the scientists about the origin of Earth. Okay, and this chapter carries 3 marks. And the third chapter name is Structure of Life Outside of Earth. It means in this chapter we will discuss about aliens. Okay, so this chapter consists total 3 marks. The last chapter name is Indian Scientist Biography and Achievements. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss about different and many scientists and their achievements also. Clear? And this chapter consists 3 marks. And when we add the number of these all chapters, then we will get total marks of the 5th unit will be 12 marks. 12 marks we can easily get out of 80 from the 5th unit. Okay, let's check out the 6th unit name. 6th unit name is environment. Okay, Paryavaran, environment, and this unit consists only one chapter. And the chapter name, we all know that the very most important chapter, and about this chapter we have already discussed the basic meaning and the basic questions of this chapter. We have already discussed in the 8th class also. Clear? And the chapter name is biodiversity. Yes, biodiversity and its conservations. And this chapter also consists of 5 marks, and from the 6th unit we can easily get total 5 marks out of 80. Okay, and the last unit name, very most and the very present most important topic in the present time, road safety education. Total 1 chapter will present this unit, and chapter name definitely will be road safety education. And this chapter consists total 3 marks. So we have discussed about these 7 units in this session. In the presentation we have discussed about the syllabus of our class 10 science RBSc. So we are going to launch your online classes daily. You will get online classes daily on your Jupyter application, Jupyter app. You will be updated on the Jupyter app, and all the students, please listen carefully. You should follow the government guideline. Stay home and stay safe.